don't necessarily. It's only you only want the flowers, so okay, it's beautiful, beautiful. Oh, you saw what I did? How I went backwards on that other one? Yes.
Look at
Yes.
him.
It's a regular pretzel, right?
Good. Very good.
So you have a bigger piece.
Now,
You don't
yeah,
want-
and then
so you
turn
want
it
like
like
that.
this and turn it under.
Yeah, this is
Wow,
why I made a
looks good.
football because
Which way?
Very nice.
You want to make
Okay,
a
I'll
football?
leave this here. You can do it.
I'll switch it.
This princess song.
Good, I can't.
Yes or no? Yeah? You done with that? We gotta do it quick.
Yes, I think we are done with
Because it's
everything.
getting sticky.
Anthony, I thought you were making your puzzle.
He wants a football.
Let me see, Ryan.
Okay.
Nobody did a
Tray number 2.
Wow.
Very high tech
Good
here.
job.
We have 2 pieces of tape on here for tray number 2.
Okay.
Okay?
Not bad.
Not bad. All right, here we go. One, 2. Don't forget. Can't she have it over here next to you anyway? Can you hold your paper down for me so when I pick this up, that is girl. Very good. Thank you. Yeah, we did it as best we could. And to put the ball.
Uh-oh.
Alright, it came out really good, bud.
Maybe we can get them all on one tray.
That's what it's called.
Let me see. A soccer ball in, yeah, it's right there. Let me take this one up here.
Hurry!
Okay. All right, who are you sitting next to? That's how you gotta
It's okay.
remember. You're in the 3rd seat. 1, 2,